Hey there, space explorers. Whoosh, I'm Luna, your junior astronaut, and today we're blasting off on a 12-minute adventure through the solar system. Imagine zooming past twinkling stars, feeling the gentle rumble of rockets, and discovering cool facts that make the universe feel like a giant playground. Ready to see the hottest planet, the biggest storm, and even a glittering ring? Buckle up, because in the next minute we'll land on Mercury, the speedster. Stay tuned and let's make space magic together. Sparkle. First stop, Mercury. Ding, this little planet is the fastest runner in the solar system, zipping around the sun in just 88 Earth days, faster than a superhero sprint. It's also super hot, reaching over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than a pizza oven. But don't worry, there's no air to breathe, so we'll stay in our safe spaceship. Fun fact: Mercury has no moons, so it's a solo traveler. Ready to feel the heat of love? Not really. Let's cool off and glide to the next wonder, Venus, the planet that's hotter than a summer's day on Earth. Whoosh. Zooming to Venus, the hottest planet. Yes, hotter than Mercury. Sizzle. Even though it's farther from the sun, its thick clouds trap heat like a giant blanket, making surface temps soar to 900 degrees F, hot enough to melt lead. Imagine a world where you could bake cookies forever. Venus also spins backward, so the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Talk about a cosmic surprise. And guess what? It's called Earth's sister planet because it's similar size, but the atmosphere is a wild, toxic soup. Ready to feel the cool breeze of our home? Let's glide down to beautiful Earth in the next minute. Whoosh. Welcome home, Earth. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Our planet is the only place we know that has liquid water, a cozy atmosphere, and life buzzing everywhere. Did you know a single Earth day is 24 hours, but a year is 365 days? Just enough time for you to grow, learn, and explore. Earth's magnetic field works like a superhero shield, protecting us from solar wind. And the highest mountain, Mount Everest, is still tiny compared to the deepest ocean trench, the Mariana Trench. Nature loves extremes. Now that we've recharged on our blue marble, let's hop over to the red wonderland of Mars. Ready for a dusty adventure? Whoosh. Now we're on Mars, the red planet. Rocket, did you know Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest? That's like stacking 3 skyscrapers on top of each other. Mars also has a huge canyon called Valles Marineris, deeper than the Grand Canyon. And guess what? A day on Mars is just 24 hours and 37 minutes, almost like Earth's clock, perfect for future explorers. Scientists think ancient rivers once flowed there, so maybe one day we'll find Martian mud pies. Ready to meet the giant gas ball next? Hold on tight as we blast to Jupiter. Whoosh. Whoa, look at Jupiter, the king of planets. Glowing star, it's so big that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Imagine stacking a whole city of Earths. Jupiter is a gas giant, mostly hydrogen and helium, so you can't stand on it. Its famous Great Red Spot is a storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries, like a never-ending hurricane. Jupiter also has 79 moons. The 4 biggest are called the Galilean moons, and one of them, Europa, might have an ocean underneath its icy crust. Ready for rings that sparkle like a disco ball? Let's spin over to Saturn next. Whoosh. Here comes Saturn, the planet with the most dazzling rings. Sparkle's Saturn's rings stretch out over 280,000 kilometers, but are only about 10 meters thick, like a giant, glittery hula hoop. They're made of ice chunks, dust, and rock, and they sparkle when sunlight hits them. Saturn also has a moon named Titan, which is bigger than Mercury and has lakes of liquid methane. Imagine a soda pop lake. And did you know Saturn's day is only about 10.7 Earth hours, so a sunrise there is super fast. Ready to meet the icy twins of the outer solar system? Let's glide to Uranus and Neptune. Whoosh. Welcome to the icy twins, Uranus and Neptune. Snowflake Uranus is unique because it spins on its side, so its poles face the sun like a rolling ball. That makes its seasons super weird. Imagine a summer that lasts 42 years. Neptune, the farthest giant, has the strongest winds in the solar system, whipping at over 1,200 miles per hour, faster than a supersonic jet. Both planets are made of cold gases and ice, giving them a beautiful blue-green glow. And guess what? Neptune has a moon named Triton that orbits backwards, a clue that it might have been captured from elsewhere. Ready for a tiny, distant world? Let's hop to Pluto and the Kuiper Belt. Whoosh. Now we're at Pluto, the tiny dwarf planet that sparked a big debate. Milky Way, though it's only about half the width of the United States, Pluto lives in the Kuiper Belt, a frozen sea of icy rocks far beyond Neptune. In 2015, a spacecraft called New Horizons flew by and sent back stunning pictures of Pluto's icy heart, called the Sputnik Planitia. Pluto's day is just 6.4 Earth days, but its year lasts 248 Earth years, so a single Pluto birthday is a lifetime. And did you know it has 5 moons, the biggest named Charon, which is almost half the size of Pluto itself? Ready to look up at the stars that light up these distant worlds? Let's soar to the night sky. Whoosh. Look up. The night sky is a glittering storybook of stars. Sparkles, our sun, is just one of over 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Some stars are huge red giants, while others are tiny, cool red dwarfs. Think of them as space fireflies. Did you know that the patterns we call constellations are like connect-the-dots pictures drawn by ancient storytellers? Orion the Hunter, the Big Dipper, and the graceful Swan all help travelers find their way. And if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take 100,000 years to cross our galaxy. Talk about a long road trip. Ready for the ultimate wow moment? Let's zoom out to see whole galaxies. Whoosh. Here's the grand finale. Our galaxy, the Milky Way. Milky Way, it's a massive spiral of stars, gas, and dust, stretching over 100,000 light years across. Imagine a giant cosmic pinwheel, with our sun tucked in one of its graceful arms. And there are billions of other galaxies out there, some shaped like spirals, some like ellipses, and some like strange blobs. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured images that look like alien artwork. The biggest known galaxy, IC 1101, is 100 times larger than the Milky Way, so big it would take a light year to cross. Isn't that amazing? Let's bring our adventure back home and reflect on what we've learned. Soft chime. What a journey. From sizzling Mercury to the endless sea of galaxies, we've discovered 12 amazing space facts together. Shooting star, remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting for curious minds like yours. Keep looking up, ask questions, and maybe one day you'll become a real astronaut or scientist. If you loved this adventure, give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new space quest. Until our next cosmic ride, stay curious and keep dreaming among the stars. Bye-bye, space explorers. Cheerful music fades.